Here is how to troubleshoot BlueStacks if an app or a game won't open. Open BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager. Search for it if you do not see it and select the problematic instance by clicking the gear icon in the right-hand side of the screen, which is below. Allocate half of your CPU cores to the instance, example 4 cores. If you have an 8-core CPU, adjust the memory allocation with 32 GB of RAM, assign 8 to 16 GB or with 8 GB of RAM. Set the frame rate to highest supported value. And here in the graphics setting, leave the graphic renderer set to OpenGL only and the interface renderer to auto for optimal compatibility. And save the changes and restart BlueStacks to test your game. If the issue still persists, the Android version within the instance might be the cause. Some apps may not be compatible. To resolve this, you can use the multi-instance manager to create a new instance with a different Android version and experiment with the different versions until the app or the game launches correctly. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.